Hey everyone, this is What It Is, a place where we talk about how immigration laws affect everyone. Today, we're going to answer the question, what is criminal inadmissibility? Hi, I'm Michael Ruttle, immigration attorney and founder at Ruttle Law PC, based in Torrance, California, where we practice immigration law in all 50 states. So what is criminal inadmissibility? It refers to reasons why the government can deny your visa or green card application based on a prior criminal record, even if you otherwise qualify. That's what it is. The idea behind admission is that it's defined as a lawful entry into the United States after inspection and authorization by an immigration officer. If an immigration officer refuses your entry into the United States, or if you are denied admission, it is because you have been found inadmissible. Now, there are many different grounds of inadmissibility, such as crimes, health issues, immigration violations, economic issues, security grounds. Those are all covered in other videos. The focus of this video today is going to be criminal grounds. Certain criminals, certain people who have health issues that pose a significant public safety risk, security threats, things like that. When it comes to grounds of criminal inadmissibility, there are several things to remember. Yes, they look at your criminal record, but the U.S. government can look at crimes from anywhere in the world. Those can be taken into consideration when deciding whether to admit or deny you based on your criminal record. So it's not just criminal issues within the United States, but anywhere in the world can be taken into consideration. Another important thing to remember when it comes to criminal inadmissibility is that not all crimes make you inadmissible automatically. For example, one DUI that occurred many years ago might not make you inadmissible depending on the facts, whereas drug trafficking, money laundering, or something violent is very likely to make you inadmissible, again, depending on the facts. Even if somebody has a criminal record, there might be something available called a waiver of inadmissibility. What that means is that the government recognizes you have a criminal record, but based on your family ties or other strong ties that you have to the United States, they will waive that finding of inadmissibility and admit you anyway, even though you might have a criminal record. It's not available for all crimes, but it is available in certain circumstances. Another thing that might be available is that even if you do have a criminal record, there might be something called post-conviction relief, which can help you. What that means is you go back to court and revise your criminal sentence to something that is what's considered an immigration-safe alternative. You would want to talk to a criminal defense attorney and an immigration attorney in that circumstance to make sure that this is the right option for you. So what are some of the biggest criminal issues that can make somebody inadmissible? There's something called crimes of moral turpitude, which we could spend at least an hour covering, but very serious crimes that involve a depraved mental state, like lying, cheating, or stealing, right? Drug offenses, weapons offenses, human trafficking, money laundering, prostitution are some of the examples that can make somebody inadmissible under criminal grounds. It's important to keep in mind that being inadmissible to the United States is very different from being deportable. Admission and deportation are two different procedures governed by two different laws under the Immigration and Nationality Act. Think of admission as knocking on the door to the United States, asking to be let in, and then if the government denies you entry, it's because you are inadmissible to be let in. Deportation or removal refers to already having been admitted to the United States, but then you did something after you arrived, and so they want to remove you or deport you. So keep that in mind when you are wondering whether you are inadmissible based on your criminal record. I know this was a lot to cover in just one video, but the main idea is that if you have a criminal record and you're considering applying for a green card or other work visa, it can very seriously affect your eligibility. So if you have questions about whether you are admissible or will be found inadmissible to the United States based on your criminal record, contact an immigration attorney at Ruttle Law to see if we can help you. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, click that bell, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on the ways U.S. immigration laws affect everyone. As for criminal inadmissibility, hopefully you now know what it is. Until next time, I'm attorney Michael Ruttle. Keep climbing that mountain.